Hello and welcome from everybody here at AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Hope you're all well. Thank you ever so much for taking the time to watch the video, and I hope it's of some use to you. We've got a great new arrival for you. This is a 2019 registered Skoda Karoq. It's a 6-speed manual TDI Sportline. It's finished with beautiful velvet red paintwork, and as you can see here, great diamond and cloth interior. The car's covered just 32,368 miles, and it comes with some outstanding specification, which we'll try and go through. A lot of it is on the advert, but let's have a little look and see what we have to offer. We have the beautiful alloy wheels on there, and the privacy glass around the B-pillar backwards, along with the black roof rails, which are load bearing. The car comes equipped with a power tailgate and a great amount of space in there as well. In terms of parking aids, we do have front and rear sensors and also a rear camera. We have satellite navigation on the main screen, but you can also have it in the binnacle behind the steering wheel as well. We've got dual zone digital climate control, and the two front seats are also heated. Appreciate you watching the video. If you have any questions at all, please do give the award-winning sales team in Leeds a call. We're on hand to answer any questions you may have.